This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the essential data that frames value: identity, contract status, and hard performance numbers. Focus on metrics that move price, minutes, goals, and consistent ratings because they translate to demand. Once done, add comparable transactions to set a baseline. This tells you what buyers actually paid. Make sure to record club constraints and budget limits, as those shape negotiating power. Gather sources now, so the next step becomes analysis, rather than hunting for missing facts. You now convert raw inputs into a working valuation model, normalize stats per 90, adjust for league strength, and quantify injury history to measure risk. Then project performance over 1-3 years. This supplies expected contribution and resale potential, which buyers pay for. Once projections are ready, compute conservative, likely, and aggressive price bands so you can negotiate. Make sure to document assumptions. Differing injury or minutes assumptions change value quickly, so transparency keeps decisions reproducible. You finish by turning analysis into an actionable profile, a concise valuation, clear strengths and weaknesses, and recommended negotiation points. Then tailor presentations for each audience. Scouts want metrics, managers want fit and tactics, so make one data appendix and one executive summary. Once delivered, set an action plan with ask price, fallback, and timeline. This drives follow-up. If numbers or interest change, troubleshoot by revisiting minutes and comparable transfers first. Those usually explain most variance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.